So the big question that I've been asked for some while now is, well, not some while, but the past couple of years, because the cleaner come out with an article basically stating that Vere Phoenix is relegated. So three persons ask, how is that so? And we say yes, technically they are relegated, but mathematically no, they are not. So Vere Phoenix, they are on 23 points. They have 3 games to go. The maximum points that they can get is 9, and that would carry them to 32 points. Now, there's 2 other teams on 32 points. That's Humble Lion and Malines. Now, both teams though do have better goal differences than that of Vere Phoenix. Now, the reason I say so that is the mathematical aspect of them technically still in it. The problem here is they'd have to bank on Malines and Umberland to not accumulate one single point from the 3 games that they also have left. And if both of those teams are at some point or somewhere not accumulate no point, they're also expecting them to lose by massive amount of number. And that would mean also for Vere Phoenix to win all 3 games that they have left. Those 3 games they have left is Arnett Garden, Donut Jungle, Harbourview, over at Harbourview, and I think it's Shabbleton Maroons. So they would most definitely have to win all 3 games. So mathematically, they are in it, but technically, they are officially relegated. Technically. So that's the situation surrounding them. When I'm officially relegated now, then me I go do an official relegation video. No think already. Anyways, big up on yourself, smash that button, hit the subscribe button. Soon again, MG Sports here. Oh, God bless.